Adventure belongs to those who learn, unlearn, and relearn. With the spirit of adventure and a dream in our heart, in 2010, we embarked on a journey envisioning our pets at the center of everything we do. Started with a small working space, our small office was a hub of creativity and ambition, which was ultimately the birthplace of countless ideas.
Do you know, Anand, it's been 13 years already that we started ABK.
What? It's been 13 years? It feels like yesterday.
Seriously, even I think we just started yesterday. But I think for entrepreneurs, every day is a new day and it's the same victories, same challenges.
True. But it's been quite a ride.
Absolutely. It's been a super roller coaster ride. But we are now grown from 5 people team to 250 people team.
Yeah.
So definitely things have changed.
So instead of us taking the worries, now we have 200 people who are taking our challenges.
Right.
Or we wish them to take up the challenges and grow their careers.
Absolutely. And I think with that, automatically even ABK will grow further.
Yeah.
It all started somewhere in the middle of 2010.
I still remember that time when you were in Mercedes working and I was in between jobs.
Right.
We were thinking of a name for the company and we found many names, but we liked ABK for some reason because
it resonated with us, the initials of the 3 directors.
And then our sister designing the logo in that way also made it more prominent that this is a good name.
And they brought the brand close to us, close to our heart.
Yes.
When I joined the ABK, the product range we have was only the 100 plus SKU. Now I am very proud to say that ABK has crossed 2,500 products range, and I am very much sure that in future the ABK team will expand the manpower to 1,000 plus employees.
So if I have to talk about my co-workers, then full of entertainment, but with that a hidden talent, helping hand and truthful nature. So together we are making a bunch of mismatched puzzle pieces that somehow creates a masterpiece.
As I said, I joined in 2019, so 4 years back. 4 years back, the count was around 50 employees, and right now the head count is close to 250. So you can see company has grown 5 times in this 4 years. So the employee strength or the head count itself say that the company is growing or having the enormous growth.
Our team of dedicated warehouse staff works diligently to maintain the integrity of our products and meet our customer demand.
Really like is about the directors that they are very calm and composed. Even if you are making mistake, they very calmly explain with a belief that it won't be continued further. And this behavior I've tried to inculcate it in my belief and in my attitude.
Yes, the company is taking constant initiative to conduct training sessions. Like recently they have conducted bench management sessions by CA Ms. Megha Pandit. And also Excel training session was conducted for us to learn new skills and excel in our task.
Yes, I particularly enjoy variety of work. There is lots of scope of work in all departments. That's the reason why I am here from last 8 years.
So the first sprint, while performing a task, we also do flexible work hours. And the last one is group support for the director and manager, where we always welcome to share our ideas and that encourage us.
मैं जब से यहाँ पे काम कर रहा था तो स्टार्ट में यहाँ पे ऑर्डर कुछ पर डे 150 के आसपास में ऑर्डर रहती थी। पर पिछले कुछ एक सालों में हमने एक दिन में यहाँ पे 250 से प्लस ऑर्डर हमने उठाया था, और प्लस अगर एक दिन का हमारा सेल्स ऑर्डर का वैल्यू अगर देखेंगे तो अप्रोक्स हमने 1 करोड़ को भी क्रॉस किया था। यह हमारे लिए सबसे बड़ी अचीवमेंट थी।
मी 2015 मध्ये जॉईन केलं होतं, त्यावेळी कंपनीच्याकडे खूप कमी प्रोडक्ट्स होते, पण जसं कंपनी ग्रो होत गेली प्रोडक्ट पण वाढत गेले, टीम पण खूप कमी होती। आजच्या डेटला टीम पण आपल्याकडे खूप सारी ग्रो झालेली आहे आणि कंपनी पण खूप सारी ग्रो झालेली आहे।
Together, we are driving forces behind our commitment to delivering excellence in every shipment, every day. From receiving shipments to organizing inventory, every step is crucial in delivering excellence.
I met these two dynamic young men, Anand and Kushal, and who really bought into the idea of this. And of course, then with their own initiative, with their own wisdom, with their own ideas, with their own investment, they ventured into it. You know, they were the most important thing that they got selective in what they want to do. They focused on what they want, and that's the reason for their success. Their focus. And then that focus continued by promoting grooming in India, and slowly the brand ABK became very popular, and I'm sure they are reaping the harvest for all that today, and I really wish them all the good luck.
I like ABK products and I congratulate और मेरी शुभकामनाएं कि आप ऐसे ही आपके ये ग्रूमिंग प्रोडक्ट्स मुझे बहुत अच्छे लगे।
प्रोडक्ट तो बहुत अच्छी है, इंडिया में आई थिंक फर्स्ट टाइम ABK होगा कि इतनी अच्छी प्रोडक्ट्स ले आए
from the last so many years and 100% satisfied with the product. No problem at all.
Today, we stand tall as one of the largest pet supplies business in India.